Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to enter the hardware test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Let's open the phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad, and let's use the following secret code: *## 64663 *##. As you can see, the hardware test mode just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options, and here you can test a couple of hardware features on your device. For example, the version info. If everything is alright, let's choose pass. You can also test the light sensor and other stuff such as the proximity sensor, LED test, keypad, receiver. For example, let me test the receiver. You need to choose if this is the Chinese or English. Let me choose Chinese, test pass. So you can also use the MIUI test, the headset, the speaker, for example. The camera front, camera back, the SIM, SD card test, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and a lot of more. You can also use here the more key in order to see the additional test, such as for example the top mic speaker loopback test. Let me go back. If you would like to quit the hardware test mode, let's use the back key a couple of times, and now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.